Coach Nathan Davis, what a win here at West Point. I think it's fair to say that some of the Bucknell supporters were wondering after 7 losses, what's going on here? Whatever you've done, it's been a magical touch, and you're to be congratulated, and your players as well. A 30-point win over Navy, and now to come here and get one like this, you've got to be really proud of your guys.
Well, I think, first off, you said all the credit goes to the guys. They stepped up. Our concentration's gotten better. Our focus has been better. We've done it now for 6 days in a row, and that's what we played well. We'll get a day off tomorrow, and we'll come back on Monday. We got to do it all over again. It's not going to get easy. It's not going to be easy. Wednesday's game against American is going to be hard, but certainly we're proud of the way they responded today. We fought through adversity. Chris Haas made enough plays in the first half, scoring 32, which is insane, and a half to keep us in it. And then the best part was as the game went on and we needed to play down the stretch, the guy just made the right plays. Chris threw it to Dom at a 3. Nana threw it to Ryan at 3. Threw it to DJ made a jumper. Ryan ripped and drove it. I mean, we just made the right plays, and if you make the right plays and trust each other, we're going to have a chance to win games.
Did you tell your team to keep going to Chris while he was hot, or were the players pretty much figuring that out for themselves?
It didn't take a rocket science to figure it out. We were going to ride this one out as long as we could. He was feeling it. We wanted to put the ball in his hands, and again, he made the shots. And then in the second half, when they were really crying on him, he got a dump off Nana. He got the drop, the pass to Dom. So he kept making the right plays too. He didn't force it. He just took what they gave him, and we won.
Your guards played exceptionally well, Ryan Fraser, but especially I wanted to ask about Stephen Brown. He's improving a lot from what I can see from last year. He's no longer making freshman mistakes.
Yeah, well, he's a sophomore, so he shouldn't be, but he's had a chance to play out a lot of different situations now. He's getting more and more confident. In a lot of ways, we go as he goes. When he's pushing it up, when he's attacking the ball defensively, we're better defensively. When he's pushing up offensively, we're better offensively. So he's become a good player for us, and I think he's going to continue to get better.
Your team's got a good feeling right now going in the locker room, I'm sure.
It's certainly better than after we lost 7 in a row. There's no doubt about that.
Well, Coach, congratulations. This is quite a win. Anybody that saw this game today certainly got their money's worth. Have a safe trip back to Lewisburg.
Thank you.